Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Today I would like to share with you all another special sales kit. Hi Nala, say hi. Nala, Nala, Nala. Yes, good girl. Okay, I show you the kit. Yeah, like this week is a crafting week for me. Yeah, I have the mood to craft, to do the kit. So yeah, when the inspiration flow to you, you can't stop it, and I have to do when I have the mood to do all this kit. Like Amanda say, go go go. And so now I create another corset kit. The one that I show you in the video that Amanda requests is the big size, I think 12 inches, and now I create the small size for those who interested to get the small size. So you have to leave the comments below the video or the pictures. For this purple set, I just make two. So like I say, nowadays I cannot do the big quantity kit, because sometimes you have no time, and also I don't have the craft mood. So I just follow my mood. Follow my mutual. When the inspiration came to me, and then I can create some. So hope this makes sense to you all, and you get what I mean. And now I show you what in the kit. Okay, this is the it's very lovely purple corset kit. Let me show you the corset first, and I create this one. You can see the size. It's like my palm. Okay, and glue with this. This get both different way, and inside is a dress form tag, so you can create with the where you like. You got four. Let me do zoom. Okay, so you get like so you can create, and I printed on fabric and the felt. So, and I also use this image. I love all these image that I did. Okay, so you get four of this in the small size and one in the large size, so you can put here if you want. Just follow your way. Now for the kit, I hand dyed this beautiful tassel lace, half yard, and I make this like a flowering and floral. I love the purple because I have all these in my collection, so I share some out for this kit. This is the floral trim, beautiful, and this purple, and this is different type, and the purple is beautiful, but the camera maybe turn out is different. And this soft one, And this, because I don't have much, so I just share half yard this embroidery, so you can cut it out small pieces and do. And this very soft lilac color ink with green, this flower, I love this trim. And this is my forever favorite, very pale lilac and the green color. So this one you got also, yeah, for 2 yard. Okay, and this soft color lace, and this also one of the embroidery, and polka dot with soft lace, and these two, one very soft lilac color, and another also is purple. And this is a very soft, not pink, but it's very soft lilac color. Okay, and I also provide one of these tassel, as you make the dress on, and also match with this, yeah, cream color. This purple match with the cream is very beautiful. Okay, all this is the laces for the kid. And now I show you the flower. You have different of the small to that flower. Okay, and so embroidery and ribbon, all different type here. And this, that, and this is like two ball, like so. You can, yeah, see what you can make different to that rosebud flower. And this you have 2 different purple and lavender, I mean, yeah. So you got this different color, and this one I make this. Just have to open and show you. I did for this 2 little hanging. I glue the flower so you can, yeah, use it in your project. And I also glue one up on top the pattern. Okay, and also provide some of the soft embroidery flower. And also this, you have 3 different color of this rhinestone small flower. So they have 3 different colors here, and one big piece of this soft lavender lilac color. So yeah, all this is for the purple set. I only have 2, so just leave your comments below the description box, I mean the video, so you will get this, all this. Okay, and come back and show you the pink set. Okay, show you. You also have these 2 soft applique. Okay, so that's this one. So all this is in the kit.